Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art, and today I would like to share a journal that I made with you. It's made out of tea-dyed envelopes, and it basically started out like this. So on another day I will be teaching you how to make it, but today we're doing a show and tell, so let's get started. This is an elastic band that I purchased on a roll at Hobby Lobby. That's what I used to keep it closed. And I had some images of Marilyn Monroe from a tattered book, and so I decided to save the images and make a beautiful little journal out of it. The background is scrapbook paper by Simple Stories, and I used that little camera sheet for the background, and even the Share Your Beauty with the World came out of that pad. And I colorized the whole edges here with the Distress ink by Ranger. And so let's open it and see what's in there. So let's see, we have a tag here, and there's a pocket right here that I lined there with the washi tape. And I put a quote by Marilyn Monroe there that says, "Sex is part of nature. I go along with nature." And on the tag, I recycled some cardboard from, I think, a cereal box, and then I put these images on it and tied some fun ribbon. And that little circle there is a hole reinforcer punch that I used. So I like using that on all of them on my handmade tags. It just adds a little bit more oomph to it. And then I stamped some sentiments throughout the book. And these were pages from that book, and I glued them together, colorized her face, printed "Oh Happy Day," and then I used a library insert here. And so since it was a little bit too big for the book, I cut it in half and made a tag out of the other piece. So nothing went to waste here. And stamped it, tied ribbon. And then so I have a pocket here, and I have a pocket back here, and I aged that as well. And then you can write your messages up there and right here. And I used staples, not only for reinforcement, but I thought it gave it a great look. And I stamped "Be Stylish." The staples look pretty cool on that side. "Admit One" movie ticket, since that's her famous movie right there, and then stamped a little something where her skirt is blowing up, and put a little info about the picture. That was from 1954. And this came off of the side of a paperback book that was ripped, and her eyes were so pretty there, I just couldn't throw that away. And on the back, I put "You got this." And then I used some sparkly washi tape here. That came from Michael's. And this was a photocopy that one of my kids printed out for me years ago in high school, and I saved it with my collection. And then stamped "Be True" and left a little journaling room there. This pink paper came out of that Simple Stories I Am pad. There's the other part of that paperback book. And this paper, I aged it because I wanted it to go with that old-fashioned look. And then I stamped "Say Cheese." On the inside here, I love this little part. It was a perfect for this tag, actually, and it was a postcard that Norma Jean sent to her friend. I just thought that was really pretty. And then on the other side, I put some paper, and then I glued paper on the inside. There's a pocket with washi tape. Oops, this goes that way. And then I stamped this. I don't remember where I got that stamp. It was about 10 or 15 years ago that I bought it. And then there was a surprise there for her birthday. So I put "Let's Celebrate," and more journaling space there. And then I made a paper clip. I love that. That is so cool. And then I stamped "Just a Note." And those stamps, actually just a note, and then the group of the little sentiments I bought at Hobby Lobby, I believe they were $12.99 on sale for 50% off, which was a deal of the day for me. And then, as you can tell, like some of the pages, they were waterlogged from a book, but they look perfect in here. So here she is, her first modeling picture in 1945. And turn the page. And I like the way the writing is on the back there. And then I just put a little information here about each of the photos it's describing. And then another pocket right here. Washi tape, sparkly washi tape. And Be Bold. I thought that was a perfect stamp for that sexy slip that she's wearing. And then on the back, I just used one of those little tickets that come in a pad for like cashier to write down, or maybe items that you sell, and I aged it. I bought that at the 99-cent store. That ribbon is so pretty on there. Be happy. And then there's another little pocket that I made right here out of that page, and then more washi tape. This tag, and someone can write on the back there. And on this ribbon, I used baby colors to match this and to match her picture whenever she was 3 years old in 1929. And then more journaling space and another pocket here. And it's stapled. I love the way that tea dye came out there. Just looks so vintage. More washi tape, another stamp, and then on the back, be courageous. Someone can write back there as well. And then let's see, be bold. And this I colorized. I just love the way that came out. Be joyful. Have a good day. Now this is the last page, and I wanted a picture of her that was natural. And then here's her sexy picture, and this is just another photocopy that I colorized. And I had that for years. I've been collecting on Marilyn Monroe for over 30 years, maybe longer. And be cool, have fun. Ribbon at the top, and a little picture that I cut out from Actors Studio Benefit Usher. That is really cool. So she can journal, whoever has this can journal on the back. And then more staples. And then on the back, someone could journal there as well. And then I stamped my name. And that is my journal that I made. I love it. And I will be glad to teach you in the future how to make these. So I look forward to hearing from you and reading all of your comments. In the future, I'm working on this one with Jane Mansfield. I'll give you a little sneak peek. And I'm also working on this one with Audrey Hepburn. And I'm almost done with this one on Joan Crawford. There's a little sneak peek. And each one of these will have a separate video, so we can look on the inside and see all the treasures. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.